In this video, you will learn how to use the target words feature of PixWriter version 3.2 to create a setup without pictures in your word bank. So as you can see, I've got a setup in my word bank. It says I like cars, and I've used it to build a sentence. It's great to get rid of some of those distractions when you're working with kids who need visual accommodations, or for those who might be offended by some of the pictures if they think they're babyish or something. So you can see how I've put some in, my words are ready. So if I wanted to add another word, or when I'm ready to start this, what I'm going to do is go to my target, which is my icon for target words. And you can see up here in this white box, I've got some words in here already. You'll notice they're in alphabetical order, not the order in which I input them. But I would like to add something else that I like, and I like pizza, so I'm going to go ahead and type in pizza in this first box over here. I don't want that picture, so I'm going to click right here where it says no picture. Go down and hit add target. Now when I click OK, you can see that pizza came into my word bank. Now I don't want pizza down here in the lower left corner, so I'm going to go ahead and shift and drag pizza to wherever I want it. And now I'm ready to write a new sentence. So I can say I like pizza. I'm going to go ahead and put a period. And that is how you can use the target words feature to add buttons to your word bank and have them display without pictures. You can also do this for single letters as well. Let's take a look at how that might look. So I've got a setup here for my friend Joey, and what I've done is when you look in the target words, I've done the letters of his name, J, O, E, and Y. Now one thing I do want to point out is if I wanted to add another letter, when I put in S, you'll notice no picture comes up. Please don't leave it at standard picture. Go ahead and click on no picture, because otherwise it's going to come up looking different. So let's see what happens when I hit standard picture. You'll notice how the S went into the bottom instead of into the center, and it's kind of a little bit smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that button because I want to add that S. So I'm going to control and click on the S. I'm going to go back to my target words, and just so you can see the difference, I can put in my S and I click on no picture, add target, click OK, and you'll notice that S came in centered. So that's a really nice feature. And then again, to move it, I'm going to take that S, click, drag while I'm holding down the shift button, and move it there. The other thing I would recommend is once you make a setup and you're happy with it, go ahead right here and click on the lock, and that means no other additional letters or words can be added to the word bank. Good luck!